Today I'm going to give you a really simple 2-ingredient DIY carpet and mattress cleaner. So if you have carpet, I'm sure you have often felt frustrated. You clean and then it just doesn't feel clean, especially if you have small children or pets. I know I have felt that way, or maybe after you leave the house for a while and you come back in, you're like, what is that smell? Okay. Or maybe you've been to a friend's house who has lots of pets and you know what I'm talking about. There's that underlying smell that you're like, what is that? I can't put my finger on it. Well, we're going to talk about that today. I know I hate all those toxic smells, and so I just had to find a way that I could clean my carpets and make them feel fresh in a more natural way. So stick around to find my top tips on mattress and carpet deodorizer with just 2 ingredients. All right, we're glad that you're here today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. All right, so here are the top 2 ingredients. Get your pen out. Okay, simple. Baking soda and your favorite essential oils. Yep, you can create it in just a minute. And you whip it up and then you're able to sprinkle it on your carpets, let it sit for a little bit, and then vacuum it up. It's as simple as that. It absolutely smells amazing, and it's gonna leave your carpet smelling fresher and just being cleaner. You can also use it on your rugs as well as your mattress. So we'll talk about that in just a minute. Okay, so you'll get your baking soda and your favorite doTERRA essential oils. All right, well, since we have removed our toxic smells and harsh chemicals in our home, I really can't tolerate any of those fake synthetic, strong smells anymore. They give me almost an instant headache. So I don't know about you if you struggle with all the fake synthetic smells. Comment below and let me know if you're one of those people that can't handle all of those toxic smells. So now I love using essential oils. They help support my body in a natural way, but I also love that they're very potent and effective to be able to replace things in our home in a really easy way. And so we only use doTERRA essential oils because they're safer, they're cheaper, and they're more effective. We love doTERRA because of their sourcing. They work with the right people in the right climates all over the world to ensure the potency, and the testing that they undergo on the oils are the only ones that I would personally trust for my family. And that's why I feel confident in sharing this information with you. If you're ready to get started with essential oils, go to roxysaran.com. We would love to welcome you to the oily family right there, or you can just purchase 1 or 2 things right at roxysaran.com. Okay, so here's the recipe. 2 cups of baking soda and 10 drops of your favorite doTERRA essential oil. I love changing up the oil with the different seasons. So for example, peppermint and wild orange are a great combination. It's also uplifting, but also has that spicy aroma with the peppermint. So I love that. That is a great combination that you can use. 2 cups of baking soda, you would do 5 drops of peppermint, 5 drops of wild orange, mix that all up together and sprinkle it on your area, and then let it sit for a little bit and vacuum it up. Another combination, lemon, just lemon essential oil is wonderful. It just smells clean and uplifting. That's a great one for the spring, or wild orange, or you can combine them. You've got choices in what you would like to do with your carpet cleaner. Another one is clove and cinnamon. I love utilizing those, especially like in the winter or the fall time. I would love to switch that up so that the house will smell like those calming, soothing aromas of the fall. Another combination is rosemary and lavender, or eucalyptus and spearmint. So you've got lots of different choices. You can create your own powder. I love using lavender essential oil for our bedrooms. It has a calming and soothing aroma. As you go to sleep, you'll be able to smell those little hints of lavender. So those are some of the top ones that I like to use. Again, citruses in the spring or summertime, and clove in those winter months. So those are just some examples for you. If you're ready to get started with doTERRA essential oils, we would love to help you at roxysaran.com. Or if you just want to purchase 1 or 2 things that we talked about today, maybe a lemon oil or a spearmint, you can do that right at roxysaran.com. Okay, so it's time to strip down those beds and wash the sheets. You can also sprinkle this mixture straight on your mattresses and let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then you would run your vacuum over your mattress. That's gonna help with any dander that might be on there, or pet dander if you have a pet that sleeps with you. And also it'll help eliminate any odors and help freshen up your mattress. Especially moms, if you have a potty training kiddo and you know what I'm talking about, you're gonna love this recipe to freshen up your mattresses. I do this twice a year, spring cleaning, and then maybe in the fall time as well. So you've got 2 times a year that you're freshening up your mattresses. Just do a little bit of research of what's in there in your mattresses. You're gonna be floored, and you're gonna probably wanna do this a little bit more often than 2 times a year. We are glad that you were here today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification, and also the like, so you can find out about future content on this amazing channel. The next video, I'll be showing you a very easy non-toxic hand sanitizer and hand wipes that you can utilize on the go. I hope you have a great day today.